So I'm here in conversation with I'm Silmore kids. So now there are no more kids because they have just entered the college life after standard 12th. And a warm welcome to both of them, Ayushi and Krishna. So that from your very busy and tight schedules, you have taken out time for this particular interview. That's great for us. But really, it's important for student audiences who are listening and viewing you right now to understand how the life is there inside I am Sirmore. So, my very first question, any one of you can take it. It has been almost a year at times or more for both of you. If you had to describe your journey so far in one sentence, what would it be? Let's start with Ayushi first.
So my journey at IIM Sirmaur has been a year of learning, self-discovery, and stepping out of my comfort zone.
And Krishna, how about you?
My answer more or less correlates with Ayushi's answer. So here I got to meet a lot of new people from all over India. That was something I loved a lot since I love meeting new people. And I'm ambivert more leaning towards the extrovert side.
If you love people, that means you're an extrovert, not an ambivert. Okay. All right. Let's move ahead. Can you take us back to the moment you received your admission? What were your first thoughts or emotions at that point of time? Starting with Krishna this time.
So at that time I was in Christ University in Bangalore.
Okay.
And
Already studying
for
Christ.
me,
Great.
I applied to Christ as a backup option and I spent 2 months over there.
Okay.
So actually, I had a pretty good score in IP Mat, and I gave almost all the IIM interviews which accept IP Mat in those score. So I was kind of expecting to get into one of the higher IIMs, but fortunately or unfortunately,
You
I
landed in
got an
IIM
offer
Sirmore.
letter only from one.
Okay.
Yeah,
Ayushi, what's your take over there? What were your thoughts or
So
emotions at that point of time?
I mean, I had like a mix of emotions. Like I was excited, but also in disbelief, because getting into an IIM was always my dream. And when I got this offer, I was like, it was a very proud and emotional moment for me.
How was this transition, Krishna? Because you made an interesting point that you were already studying in Christ University. You had spent 2 months over
mm,
there. So wanted to
mm.
understand how does an IIM differ from a private institute, according to you?
The main thing I noticed was the pure quality, sir. The pure quality in IIM Sirmur was much better than what I experienced in Christ.
All right.
And second thing would be teaching.
Yeah.
Professor's standard were also slightly better. And the IIM environment kind of prepares you to handle pressure a lot better. In Christ, of course, there was pressure, but no closer level I experienced here at IIM Sirmur, which would more or less be the level of pressure you'll experience in an actual work environment.
Right. So next question also is very similar, but yeah, it's an important one. So I'll ask. When you first arrived on campus, what was the first moment that made you feel you were truly in an IIM? Ayushi, starting with you.
So like it didn't happen like when I arrived at the campus, but once the classes started and all those things started happening, uh, the moment that I felt that I was in IIM was when there were four classes in a single day, and we had a quiz, and along with that we had a presentation as well on the same day, and next day I had my midterms exam. So that was when I realized that I am in an IIM.
Very rigorous?
Yeah,
Or some days are
sometimes.
rigorous and some days are, cool. And so it's a blend of everything, according to you,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
in that way.
Yeah.
Okay. Krishna, what's your take over there?
So more or less with Ayushi's answer, it didn't have this like magical moment once I arrived in campus. I had a very different feeling. But gradually, once I got to know people, and I had some very interesting conversations in areas which I normally wouldn't, like
Okay.
about books, what you're interested in doing after college life. So peer interactions slowly made me feel better and made me realize how lucky I was to study in IIM.
Would like to know bit in depth about the academics over there. So, how does your
Mm.
week looks like? Academic week looks like. So, how a small context was given by Ayushi in the previous answer. Krishna, if you can elaborate over here. So, if a BMS student at IIM Sirmaur is studying, how does his Monday to Friday looks like?
Honestly, sir, the class schedule here varies a lot depending on the particular day.
Oh,
Some day we might have only one class. On some days we might have 4 to 5 classes.
okay.
So there is no fixed schedule. And one thing I noticed in the last semester is that during the first half of your semester, you are quite free. And in the second half, you will be squeezed a lot. You will be under a lot of pressure to complete projects, assignments. And that pressure is what actually makes you feel like you're studying in IIM.
Let me ask this next from Ayushi. What are those key skills or perspectives you feel you have already developed after joining an IIM?
So I think that my communication skills have improved a lot after coming to an IIM, and along with that,
Why did
I
that
have
happen, according to you?
there are a lot of presentations happening regularly in our
Regularly.
course, and along with that we have a course of oral communication in which in day to day life we are given a particular situation and we have to present on that in classes. That's not part of the like grading assignment or something, but in classes we are doing that. So by that I have like improved a lot in communication.
Krishna, what's your take on this? I mean, has there been some uh, other, what would I say, that feather on the cap or feather on the hat that has been added after joining the IIM?
So when I came here, I actually met a few people who were working and earning their own money. And that made it kind of think your peers, they are working, they are able to earn their own money. So you can also earn your own money. So it motivated me, it gave me a lot of motivation to learn new skills in order to be able to earn money and not ask my parents for pocket money and stuff.
How are they earning money? It's making me more inquisitive.
Uh, So some people are involved, a lot of people are involved in running a parents' companies, and they actually take not just like learning from the parents' company, actually contributing to that.
All right. So, there has been a switch. There has been a switch from that school environment to the college. I'm sorry, that IIM environment. The IIM
Mm.
environment, the switch from school to IIM could have been a bigger switch, right? How did you do this particular transition? What is different over here that wasn't there in the school? Ayushi, what's your take over here?
Uh, Learning at an IIM is very different from school because it focuses more on practical understanding, discussions, and applying concepts and real life situations rather than just memorizing theory. So that's why.
That's why. Okay. Now, next segment is very important, and we would like to talk about life beyond the classrooms. So, one by one, if you can answer these questions. When you are not attending classes, what does student life at IIM Mall look like? Krishna.
So the best part about campus is that it's a small campus, and you get to meet the same people almost everywhere. Uh, s- yeah, that's the best part about being here.
So, you're in
So you
temporary
generally
campus
tend to,
right now, or in the permanent?
yes, sir, we are in temporary campus.
Okay. So, when are you going to shift to the permanent campus? Any idea received from the institute?
So the management is shifting our seniors to the main campus the next year.
Okay.
So probably, so we'll also be shifted to the main campus on the third year, on our
In the
third year.
third year. Okay. All right.
Yes.
Okay. Ayushi, so he already mentioned that you are in temporary campus, but yeah, it's also a smaller one. But what's the favorite spot on the campus where you enjoy spending time with friends?
So I would say Nescafe is my favorite spot in the campus
All
where I
right.
enjoy a lot with my friends.
Okay. How has the Himachal location campus environment influenced your overall experience, Krishna?
There are two things, sir. First one is it's a very beautiful area. 2 hours from here you have Mussoorie. Uh, Another 1.5 hours from here you have Dehradun. 4 or 5 hours from here you have Shimla. So a lot of places where you can go explore
Are
and
you
be with
allowed to go
nature.
outside?
Yes, sir, we are allowed to go outside. On normal days, we can go outside and come back. We have to come back before 8 o'clock. There's a curfew at 8 o'clock. But if suppose we want to travel somewhere, we can just fill in a form, tell the institute on what date we'll be leaving and what date we'll be coming.
That's great. So normally you may be leaving on Saturdays or Sundays, right?
If we don't have any projects, mostly we'll have projects. If we are free, we may do a small trip somewhere,
All right.
something like that.
So now, next one is important one. I usually listen to this very carefully. Students are always curious about this. How would you honestly review the mess food and hostel life?
So for mess food, I'll say that the breakfasts are the best here,
Okay.
and along with that, other meals like lunch and dinner are also decent. It's it's like manageable. And if we talk about hostel life, then hostel life is also really
From which
vibrant
city,
here. I mean,
actually, Ayushi?
I am from Jharkhand.
Jharkhand. Over there, the food is really very good, right?
Yeah.
That Bihari food specifically. So don't you feel this transition would have been a difficult one in terms of food in particular?
No, I mean, we get North Indian food here
Get
in
most
mess.
of food.
So,
Okay, all right.
yeah. So, this was not that difficult for me.
Sorry, I
And
interrupted you in between. Yeah, hostel life.
no, no, it's okay. If I talk about the hostel life here, it's very vibrant. And right now, we are like living in a triple sharing room. And I have got really good roommates. So, I enjoy a lot in my hostel. And and one more thing is there is no curfew time for hostel, so we can like have access to library or computer lab whenever we want. So that is really good.
I would also like to understand how does diversity look like? 120 odd kids. Who is coming
Mm.
from which all places? If you can elaborate on that. Yeah.
So there are people from like every state here.
Okay.
People from Indore, people from Jharkhand. Krishna is from South. So the diversity is like really good here.
So does he understand Hindi? Krishna, do you speak Hindi?
I'm able to understand Hindi.
You
Just that
can't
when I
speak it.
speak
Yeah.
Hindi, I'm confusing with the male and female pronouns, and it's causing quite a
That's
lot of
fun.
confusion and a lot of jokes for my friends as well.
All right, that's a good part to hear from someone from South. In fact, I had certain friends, and really, we also used to chill that particular part because they used to comprehend Hindi, most of them, but they were unable to speak Hindi. So that is usually the case. Okay, now moving on. Before joining I Am Sirmor, what was one myth or assumption about I Am Life that changed after you experienced it yourself? Ayushi.
So, before joining I Am Shimor, I thought that this would be really hectic. Yeah, I agree that some days are hectic, but along with that, we have some like free days as well, in which we have only one or two classes. We get a lot of free time to enjoy with our friends. So,
That's not
that
an
was
issue
my,
over there.
yeah, that's not an issue.
Now, Krishna, looking back at the year, what has been the most defining moment or learning experience for you?
Most defining moment was the IBMAT journey, sir. That I would say, because there were a lot of times where you would have had very bad mocks, would want to give up. So usually I'll take a break for a day or two and then write a mock again, and then get through that period. And at the end of the day, it was more about consistency to come here. And even after you come here, you need to be consistent because the peer quality is very good. So you need to study a lot. And even after you come here, the pressure will be there. You need to work hard. And once you do this, it will become habit. It will be easier for you to do the same thing when you enter the job environment.
All right, I think great points being made by both of them. Next one is quite similar, but yeah, I would like to understand a memory or experience from your first year, Ayushi, that you think you will remember for your lifetime.
So, stepping out of my comfort zone is a very important thing, because the constant like pressure, the group presentations, and all those things in the we are experiencing in our first year, this is very new to me. So I'm gonna remember this, and along with that, the great people I met and the friends I have, this is going to stay with me like forever.
Okay, now let me ask a very, very direct question to you. We're going to play. So this is the last segment of this particular interview where I'm going to ask certain questions, and you need to, in fact, it's a rate out of 10 segment. You need to rate out of 10 on following parameters one by one. Let's start with. So it's a temporary campus. Despite that, I will ask you this particular question. Campus, Krishna.
Campus, I would say, is 6 or 7.
Okay. So have you
So as
seen the
I,
newer one, newer campus, or have you visited the newer campus?
yes, sir, we have visited new campus quite a few times, and it's like a dream to go there, where you know you will be going, but you're not able to contain your excitement to go there.
Okay. And how would you rate the new campus then, out of 10?
New campus, you haven't stayed there, but just from the looks of it, it's much more huge. We have a lot more sports facilities and stuff, which we lack in the temporary campus.
Rate it out
So a
of
new
10.
campus, 9.5.
9.5. Ayushi?
Yeah.
Campus.
So temporary campus.
No, no,
So
no. New campus.
temporary.
New campus. Because you know that you're going to make in transit this year, next year, next to next year. Yeah, that's why I'm asking this
Yeah, yeah,
question.
yeah.
Yeah.
So new campus I would also rate like 9.5, 9.7 out of 10.
All right. Faculty, tough one, right? They may be listening to you. Ayushi,
So 8 on 10.
8 on 10. Krishna,
Yeah.
Same 8 on 10. So we have
8 on
some
10.
very good professors. We
Okay,
have a mix of all types of professors.
all type of process. Okay, okay. Food, Ayushi,
So 8.5 on 10.
8.5. Okay. Krishna,
So the thing is, I'm a South Indian, so I'm very used to South Indian food.
so that may be a
So North
difficulty,
Indian
right?
food is, yeah. So a 4 or 5. If you're from North India, you may find the food much better.
Okay. Ambience and location. I think this is really very important because
Mm.
the surroundings should be rated. So, Ayushi,
So I would rate it like 9 on 10, because just like 5 minutes away from campus, we have a market. So we get all the necessary things from there.
Krishna.
Yeah, it's 7.58.
Okay, 7.5 to 8. Last but not the least, experience at the campus in last 1 year. Ayushi.
So 8.7 on 10.
All right, and Krishna.
9 on 10, sir.
Okay. All right, I think major discussion just happened and you just got to know what have they experienced in last 1 year inside I Am Sirmor. Yes, they are the happy faces, Ayushi and Krishna. I am sure that I've covered certain segments in this particular video. What all you want me to cover in the next segment when we invite them. Thank you, Ayushi. Thank you, Krishna, for making it big for Supergrads team. Certainly, a lot of student audiences glued to the screens wanted to know how I Am Sir Moore's life is. And I think you have given the true reflection of that. Thank you. Thanks a lot.